Traditionally, safety-critical and non-safety critical systems have occupied separate hardware, with associated development and operational costs. But with modern multi-core processors and virtualization technology, that's changing. Wind River Helix Virtualization Platform enables functions that require safety certification to run alongside non-certified functions on the same hardware. Trusted legacy software can be migrated and reused on new systems. Software runs independently of the underlying hardware. All this is achieved with unhindered or bare metal access to the processor. For aerospace and defense companies, this means significantly lower development cost and faster time to market. It means lower weight and less power consumption. For industrial environments, Helix Virtualization Platform supports safe, precise robotic control, advanced touchscreens, and AI-based data analysis, all of which can be accomplished on a single computing platform. For automotive, non-safety critical infotainment can run alongside safety-critical functions such as the speedometer. Even advanced driver assistance systems are increasingly being consolidated onto high-performance compute modules in software-defined vehicles. Wind River Conductor empowers teams to deploy updates to applications running in VxWorks or Wind River Linux environments on top of Helix Virtualization Platform. Safety certified for aerospace and defense, automotive, and industrial manufacturing, Helix Virtualization Platform, backed by Wind River Conductor, the Wind River Security Center, and professional services expertise, mitigates the risk associated with consolidating and maintaining complex software. For assurance on mission-critical applications, the world's leading embedded systems development teams trust Wind River.